Exercise 5 is the last bit of practice for some of the double angle formulas. So we're given sine u is equal to 3/5, where u is between 0 and pi over 2. In other words, it's an angle measurement in quadrant number 1. We're going to find the sine of u, a sine of 2u, cosine of 2u, and the tangent of 2u. So we're going to start by drawing this right triangle. Here's our u. Sine is opposite, which is 3 over hypotenuse 5. If this is a right triangle, obviously this other side's got to be 4. It's a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. Okay. Now, the sine of 2u, I can just use my double angle formula. The sine of 2u equals 2 sine u cosine u. So, if I want to find the sine of 2u, where u is 3/5, this will be equal to 2 times the sine of u, which is 3/5, times the cosine of u. So looking at our right triangle, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. That's going to be 4 over 5 times 4/5. Now let's just multiply this all out. It's as if this is 2 over 1. So multiply all the tops together. That's 2 times 3 is 6, times 4 is 24, over 5 times 5 is 25. So here is the sine of 2u. Okay, now let's find the cosine of 2u. And we can just pretty much pick whichever one of the formulas that we want. Let's just go ahead and pick the one with sine in it, so it's not going to be that one, just because we already have the sine. So that would be 1 minus 2 sine squared u, which is 1 minus 2 times the sine, which is 3/5, and then square it. Bring over the 1 minus 2, 3/5 squared is 9 over 25. Go ahead and multiply that. 1 minus 18 over 25. So when I subtract that, I should get 7 over 25. So there is the cosine of 2u. Lastly, let's do the tangent. Tangent of 2u is equal to 2 tan u over 1 minus tan squared u. Right off the top of my head. Okay, so the tangent is going to be the opposite over the adjacent, which is 3/4. 2 times 3/4 divided by 1 minus 3/4 squared. So on the top, I can go ahead and simplify that. 2 will cancel with this 4, leaving 3/2 over 1 minus, when we square this, we get 9 over 16. Go ahead and subtract on the bottom. We have 3/2 over, when I subtract that from 1, I should have 7 over 16. Now I can just turn this into a division problem. It should be equal to 3/2 divided by 7 over 16, multiplied by the reciprocal, 3/2 times 16 over 7. Cancel this, make that an 8, which is 24/7.